Imagine a future where the youngest generation holds the majority of wealth. Sounds like a fantasy, doesn't it? But it's not. Welcome to the world of Generation Z. Newsflash. Generation Z, those born between 1997 and 2012, is projected to become the wealthiest generation in history. This isn't a hypothesis or a wild guess. It's based on solid data and thorough analysis. They're on track to amass an estimated $12 trillion in spending power by 2030, according to a recent report. This generation, known for their digital savviness, has higher incomes and spending habits compared to previous generations. Their per capita spending is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 4.02%. They are digitally native, using social media for brand research and shopping, particularly in health and beauty categories. But don't be mistaken. Generation Z isn't all about digital. They value both online and offline shopping experiences, exhibiting a truly omni-channel shopping preference. This information is vital for brands looking to capture a share of this rapidly growing market. The wealth of Generation Z isn't just a result of their earning power. They're also set to inherit a significant amount from the older generations. Over the next 2 decades, Millennials and Generation X are expected to inherit $83.5 trillion. A significant portion of this wealth transfer is expected to occur within the next decade. This wealth transfer, combined with their earning power, is set to make Generation Z the richest generation in history. This is a game changer not just for the global economy, but also for businesses, governments, and investors. Understanding and adapting to the preferences and behaviors of this generation will be crucial for success in the coming years. However, with this wealth comes responsibility. While Generation Z is set to become the wealthiest, wealth inequality remains a concern. Marginal improvements have been seen over the years, but more needs to be done to address this issue. In conclusion, the financial future of Generation Z looks promising. They're set to become the wealthiest generation in history, with a unique set of preferences and behaviors. As they continue to gain influence and wealth, it will be interesting to see how the world adapts to accommodate this new generation of wealth holders. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more updates on the financial future of the world. As we've established, Generation Z is set to become the wealthiest generation in history. But wealth, as we know, is not just about accumulation. It's about management, growth, and sustainability. This is where financial literacy comes into play. Financial literacy is the understanding of various financial areas, including managing personal finances, money, and investing. It's about knowing how money works, how to manage it, and how to invest it to grow wealth. It's the skill that enables people to make smart decisions with their money. Generation Z is already showing a keen interest in financial literacy. They're eager to learn about investing, saving, and budgeting. Many are even taking it upon themselves to educate their peers on these topics. This is an exciting development, as it suggests that Generation Z won't just be wealthy, they'll be smart with their wealth. So, while the world adapts to accommodate this new generation of wealth holders, let's also celebrate and encourage their drive to become financially literate. After all, the future isn't just about wealth. It's about who knows how to use it wisely. Don't forget to subscribe to the MoneyWise channel for more updates on the financial future of the world.